Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Tika Barsha with name 1707620041. And today I will present my thesis with the title is The Influence of Work Environment and Work Motivation on Employee Performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK DKI Jakarta area. And supervisor lecture is Mrs. Dita Purwita SPD MSI PhD and Mrs. Daru Putri Kusumaning Tias SE MHAN. And then this is table of content, chapter 1 until chapter 5. First is introduction. A background of the problem is based on the result of the author interview with employees in the WEA Supervisory Department on behalf of Mr. May Suhender at PTHM Sampurna TBK Kemayoran branch. The problem that occur in employee performance are A. There are still employees who are not disciplined. B. Decreased productivity. The decline in productivity can be seen from the excessively heavy workload given to employees, which causes employees to feel tired at work. And then, based on the result of the author interview with the WEE sales employee on behalf of Mr. Sona at PTHM Sampurna TBK Kemayoran branch, the problem related to the work environment are A. The layout is less comfortable because there are no partition between one division and another, so that all conversation between employees are easily heard. B. There are employees who listen to music too loud or music that is not compatible with other employees. And then based on the result of the author interview with Mr. Ivan Cahyadi as the main director at PTHM Sampurna TBK Kemayoran branch, the problem that occur with employee work motivation are A. Lack of communication and B. Lack of flexibility in the workplace. And this is a formulation of the problem. Number one, does the work environment have a significant effect on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK DKI Jakarta area? And then, does work motivation have a significant effect on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK DKI Jakarta area? And then purpose and objective. Number one, to analyze the influence of the work environment on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK DKI Jakarta area. And two, to analyze the influence of work and motivation on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK DKI Jakarta area. Okay, next, benefit of research. For researchers to broaden and deepen insight in the field of human research management, and for companies can provide benefits for the company in creating the desired work environment and provide motivation to employees. And then for other parties can provide information and additional references for further future research as well as consideration for companies facing similar problems. Okay, this is a literature review, and then this is relevant research. Okay, next, hypothesis. Here is hypothesis 1, the work environment has a positive and significant effect on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK, DKI Jakarta area. And hypothesis 2, work motivation has a positive and significant effect on employee performance at PTHM Sampurna TBK, DKI Jakarta area. Next, research design. Research methodology is quantitative research using survey methods, and then all employees of PTHM Sampurna TBK DKI Jakarta area, a population of 3,085 people, and then the sample used was 196 people. And using the SPSS 26 application. Okay, next, chapter 4 is instrument the test result, validity test result. Validity testing is intended to measure whether a statement instrument is valid or not. In this study, validity testing used 30 respondents outside the sample. The test result in the research show that all statements used to measure variable have a correlation coefficient. Uh, so the decision is to use the significant level or 5, the existing questionnaire is valid. And then it can be concluded that all statements used as research instruments have been tested for consistency, so they can be used as research measuring tools. The test result in this research show that all research instruments, namely work environment, work motivation, and employee performance, are declared reliable. And then this is description of the respondent identity. Next, descriptive analysis. Work environment positive is 101 respondent and negative is 5. Work motivation positive is 126 respondent and negative is 7. And employee performance positive is 126 respondent and negative 18 respondent. The result of the three description of research variable is can be concluded that more respondents answer in the positive direction than in the negative direction. Next, classic assumption test. Normality test. Based on the result of normality testing, data use is normal. Next, multicollinearities test is it can be explained that the work environment and work motivation variable in the regression model do not experience symptoms of multicollinearities. Next, heteroscedasticity test is based on the result of heteroscedasticity test. The data points are spread out, no collected. This means that the data use is normal or can be said to have heteroscedasticity. And then this is autocorrelation test. Based on the result of autocorrelation testing using the Darwin-Watson approach, the Darwin-Watson value is 1936. So the result of the autocorrelation test in this study show that the data use is normal. And then hypothesis test. This is simple linear regression test variable one. And then the regression equation model has obtained the positive value contained in the regression coefficient of the independent variable illustrates the direction of the relationship between the independent variable and the dependent variable is unidirectional and unidirectional. And then this is simple linear regression test variable 2. And then this is partial test. Uh, Variable work environment is the significant value of the work environment variable. So it can be concluded that hypothesis 1 is accept. This means that there is an influence of the work environment on employer performance. And then work motivation, the significant value of the work motivation variable. So it can be concluded that hypothesis 2 is accept. And then this is determination coefficient test. And this work motivation. And then this is discussion. Variable 1 is the employee work environment as one of factor that can influence work productivity currently needs to be managed as well as possible so that it can motivate employers and help the smooth implementation of employee activities. And then variable 2, along with development in this era of globalization, employees are required to carry out their work seriously and diligently, and without any pressure from the company. Therefore, companies must provide motivation for each of their employees so that their performance is good and the company can achieve its goals. Conclusion is based on the result of the partial test, it showed that the work environment has a significant and positive effect on employee performance, and then work motivation has a significant and positive effect on employees' performance. Next, recommendation for future research. Number one, can add variable other than the variable studied by the researcher to anticipate anticipate in the variable taken do not match the reality in the file. And so it is recommended that future research use the interview method with respondent so that respondent answer can be controlled so that there are no misperception from respondent regarding the research instrument used. Number three, it is hope that future researchers will be able to pay attention to each use of indicator on variable and adjust them to the number of question items or statement that will be used in the research. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.